SmartSlice can save you thousands of dollars on a single print project by optimizing your printing parameters. Save time and money when you minimize the trial and error of your printing jobs. Here's how we do it. Let's say we need to produce 25 units of the part shown. Without SmartSlice, the only way to ensure the part meets end-use requirements is to iteratively print and test the part using a variety of print settings. This typically requires anywhere from 5 to 25 iterations to get it right. After 10 print break iterations, we find that if we print the part at 60% infill, the stiffness and strength requirements are met. This table shows the time and material needed to complete this print job without SmartSlice. With the SmartSlice for Cura plugin, we see a decrease in optimization time by eliminating the need for physical iterations. A project that might take weeks is completed in just a few days. Ultimately, that means higher ROI on your projects by saving countless hours in print break cycles and using less material. Teton simulation is built on a foundation of proven analytical methods and sophisticated optimization routines. Cloud computing and proprietary simulation technology facilitate automated workflows and blazing fast solution times. SmartSlice has been designed to be used by everyone who uses 3D printers.